Good morning, Forex traders. Today I'm going to do a video on how to trade the HMA indicator on a shorter time frame. I've done, if you've seen my previous videos, I've traded it off the weekly charts, but some people don't like that because it tends to not have too many losses, or the losses are big, or you have to wait a long time before you check it. So this is how you would trade it on the 4-hour charts. So here I have the Euro USD. As you can tell, I guess I drew this for a support off the weekly, but let me double check that. Okay. Yeah. So this is a weekly chart, and so this line here is the same as on the 4-hour chart. So you can play around with different time frames, but my favorite, or the three I used the most, was weekly, daily, and 4-hour charts. So here is the 4-hour chart for the US. I think another good one was USD, JPY. Okay, let me look at the CAD here. I think this is okay. Okay, this is the USD CAD. So this had a really good run. If you took it on this candle here, it's up 77 pips so far. And if you want to know if you got this here, you definitely did, because you get the indicator on the second green. Like, that's when you get the pop-up box on this indicator, and I'll include the link in the bottom for the indicator, how you can get it for free. So if you got here, so at the close of this candle, you would have gotten a buy. So that's over 400 pips. Let's see if this would have worked on the daily as well. So actually this worked a lot better on the daily. So it's all a reward risk ratio. So on the daily you might get some bigger losses, but also you get bigger gains. So for example, this would have been a loss right here if you would have gotten a sell on here, and you would have gotten out on the second candle, which is here. Let me see if I can. So you would gotten short here on this candle and exit and switched it to long on this candle. So that would have been a loss. So not all trades will be winners, obviously. So 60 pip loss, but then you turn around and go long in here, and then you exit short on the, or if you see it pull back, you can always get out with a profit. But if you just want to follow the bars here and do like no analysis whatsoever, just trade what these bars tell you, so that would have been 113 pip profit. And then again, you would have gotten a little bit of a loss here. So this candle here, you went short on here, that's 20 pips. But then look at this, you would have gotten how many pips here? Long here, still in it, 550 pips at one point. So that's it in a nutshell. Hope this helps if you want to trade it off the daily or the 4-hour. I wouldn't do the hourly because that's just too many flip-flops, too much, and then you end up losing. You might catch a good run, but why do the extra stress when you can do the daily and you get more gain? So it's a win-win. All right, if you have any questions, email me or comment below. Thank you.